Okay, so here we are on the process page. You can see we've already clicked on that from the home page, and on the left hand side there's the 4 different pages or 4 different steps in the process that you can look at each step, and there's some text on them down below. But right here is a nice graphic that if you click on it can expand, and if we expand it, there we go, and it starts kind of all in the center here with the Video iCast app. That's the coding that we've done to automate processes and websites that I've developed in the past, but automate this whole process using video. And that's where the coding is at. And what that coding does is it imports through the IDX system for a real estate broker that's a member of the MLS. It is able to take all of the data, the text data, even the picture data, any of the links. It brings it all into the Video iCast system. So all of that is there. Agents don't have to list their properties here and then go and copy all the text and put it all in here and make all the links here as well. They're able to just do that one time at their MLS, and it's done. We import it here, and once it's imported, then that's where this little V here is completed, because we have down here agents, producers with video capture device, a smartphone, a tablet, a digital recorder video camera, not a videotape camera, but a digital recorder that records files, whether it's an MTS or a movie file. There are several different formats, but most all of them work because we're working with YouTube. Digital cameras as well oftentimes can shoot videos and have audio as well. It is important that these cameras do have audio though, because otherwise if you have just the videos, it's not near as good of an effect, and your videos are not going to be as effective in explaining and really showing the property with any sort of detail other than just visually. And part of it is the explanation that comes from the salesperson or the for sale by owner. So those videos are then merged here in the software and then queued up and lined up, search engine optimized. There's about 9 steps that go through in this patented uploader process, and it all goes to our server first, Video iCast server, and it's all lined up and queued, and then all gets sent to YouTube, who assigns the backlinks, who assigns all the other information from the data that we give them, and then basically gives us the codes to all the individual videos. Our software takes all of those codes and puts them into an embed code that creates the property URL and the property media matrix. So YouTube sends back an ID with search engine optimized and backlink videos. iCast creates the unique property webpage URL with the software with the media matrix on it from the videos, pics, and documents. And so then that URL, that media matrix, that MLS, that all can display this information right here by having the link of the one URL or the embed code of the media matrix. Either way, at this point in time, it's shared. People then see the videos and the listings on the third-party listing sites, the MLS listing sites. They don't all go back to the Video iCast site to see the listing. They go to this MLS, to this listing service over here, to LoopNet, to Realtor.com, to eBay display site, any number of places where this embed code or the unique URL as a virtual tour code can be shared with these services. And then what happens is, as those videos are viewed and seen, we track those. That does a lot for us. It means a lot to us. And we look, and all of those resulting analytics are sent back to Video iCast. These reports statistically measure not just activity, but level of interest in your property. The media matrix engagement rate provides a measure unit of comparison to determine how your property is being received in the marketplace. Comes back here and then gets shipped right back out to owners, agents, realtors, producers, the people that have the authority and credentials to access the reports. And the notifications can be set as to happen in real time or daily, weekly, and even monthly. We suggest at least weekly so that you have an update of what's going on for all of your property listings that you have, that you can show and prove to your clients what you've done for them and how well this system has automated not only the marketing process but the reporting process and kept you accountable to them as your client.